we're almost in the same spot that we were last year. Had a lot of stuff to do on the houseboat and not a ton of time.
Oh boy. That's why I drive. Last year, we got the crazy idea to take an old pontoon boat, tear it down to the bare metal, and rebuild it into a tiny home on the water. We documented our steps along the way, and we want to share them with you to show you what's possible. With a little bit of blood, sweat, and tears, this is our Pontoon Houseboat project.
We're back, and we're almost in the same spot that we were last year when we had a lot of stuff to do on the houseboat and not a ton of time. Though it is livable, there are a few things that we would really like to get done before we put this on the water. So this is where Tom drives from. I don't know which is forward, which is backwards. I assume this way's forward.
Well, the shifter's forward.
What?
That goes forward and backward. That's steering.
Oh yeah.
Left and right.
Yeah, this is so we don't cavitate.
Oh boy.
This is.
That's why I drive.
But I'm gonna put a planter box over this. So I'm gonna make a planter box. So in the summer, because we just drive it to the slip and then we leave it there, we don't drive it anywhere else. I'm gonna put a planter box over this so you can't see this. And then that's what I would like to do out here. The other thing that we need to do is re-caulk everything. The caulk that we bought was not. It was not outside efficient.
It was exterior grade DAP caulk.
Not great though.
Doesn't work when you have movement like we have. You can see where it all cracked by the end of the season there.
So we're gonna re-caulk all of that stuff and then come on inside. This is what it looks like currently. You can go in and just take a little gander. First thing that I would like to do is we're gonna trim out the windows. We're gonna trim out the whole bottom of the boat as well, so the floor trim, and then trim out the ceiling. We're gonna paint all of this a white, and then we're gonna make a bathroom door.
You want privacy?
Yes, I like privacy. Paint and trim. There's really the big things that we have to do. We're gonna make a cabinet here for all of our bathroom stuff. And then as you come back here, also trim. I bought way better hinges for the bed, and the hinges will actually hold up the bed this year. So I'm gonna take the old hinges off and then put the new hinges on, so I don't have to try to hold the bed and put all the laundry under the bed at the same time.
So that's where we keep our clothes.
Yeah. All
But
the clothes go in there.
The gas hinges that we put on it, yeah, these little guys, they don't hold it up.
So I got some at Woodcraft that are actually bed hinges that will hold the whole thing up. This little guy is going to be a cabinet as well.
Some shelves, some more storage.
Trim windows, trim floors, and paint.
That's where we had some water come in at the end of the year last year in the fall rains. So hopefully the new silicone on the outside will take care of that. It's our little TV. What's behind you there?
Oh, this is our electric panel. Chrome Electric helped us out with this. They obviously, you've seen the video, maybe you've seen the videos, but he wired all of this for us.
Paneltronics.
Paneltronics is the website that we got everything from. It's water grade, right?
It's marine grade, but they're awesome. If you tell them what you need, call their customer service. They're super helpful. Definitely give them a call if you're doing a project like this.
Yeah. Actually, while I'm talking about it, it doesn't seem like there's a lot to do, but there is.
We need a couple weekend days where we don't work on everything else in the shop. We're coming into our busy season with restoring pontoon boats. Our shop just never seems to empty out, which is a good thing.
Wait for this this guy over here, that's gonna be a great video series, the Destroyer.
We're building that into a tri-toon, go fast tri-toon to destroy our nephews while tubing. But that's the boat. That's where it's at as of now. It's April 8th, I believe,
Yeah,
2022.
Friday, April 8th.
We got to get it in the water by when?
I would love to have it by no exceptions, May 1st.
I'm with you on that one. All right. We'll keep you posted as we get to work on this.